Hi, I'm Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 7, Section 1, Number 10, which reads, as used in line 65, find most nearly means. So, this is a vocabulary and context questions. How do you deal with vocabulary and context? Well, one thing is you want to ignore any meaning of the word that you're familiar with. Why? Because 3 out of 4 times, it's not going to be the most common meaning. Only 1 in 4 times it will be. You don't want to automatically eliminate the most common meaning because you're missing out on that 1 in 4. So your best bet is just to ignore the word asked about. And what you could do after that is you could say, give your own word that would fit in place of the word in question, or your own definition of the word that would fit in place of the word in question. But this is not vocabulary. It's vocabulary in context. It's not asking whether or not you know the meaning of the word. It's knowing whether or not you know the meaning of the word as it's used in that context. And what you could also do is you could put each answer choice in place of the original. So we go to line 65. And in line 65, typically for these you want to read before and after. We don't really get anything much before and after. It's just a sentence itself. Also, by the time Epi was 3 years old, she developed a fine capacity for mischief and for devising ingenious ways of being troublesome, which found much exercise not only for Silas's patience, but for his watchfulness and penetration. And you could see the word fine right here. Keep in mind what she's got a fine capacity for. Fine capacity for mischief. And we go down to the answer choices. Would we say it's an acceptable capacity for mischief? Well, this mischief we're talking about here, so it's probably not acceptable to Silas that she is causing him trouble and basically putting him to the test, which is what the rest of that is saying. Would we say that she's got a delicate capacity for mischief? Well, we might keep our eye on that. What's delicate mean? It's like not intense, it's dainty. Keep your eye on that, but it does not look like a great answer choice. Answer choice C, ornate. What's ornate mean? It means decorated. What do you put on your Christmas tree if you're celebrating? An ornament. So ornate means highly decorated. Is it a decorative capacity for mischief? That doesn't make sense at all. And then when we look at keen, could she have a keen capacity for mischief? So keen, what it means is sharp. It means she's got a good sense for mischief, a good perception of mischief. Basically, she knows where to find the mischief. She knows how to get in trouble. And that seems to fit best in this context. We'll scroll right back up and see. So also by the time Epi was 3 years old, she developed a keen capacity for mischief. She developed a good sense for mischief. And that is your best answer here. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with vocabulary and context questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, you leave that in the comments as well. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.